Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to show you make 7-8 shapes. So for that we need loose coil. So this is our slotted tool. Let's put strip in the slot and just roll it. Remember, don't give pressure, roll it slowly. Remove this carefully, keep it on table or keep in your circle sizer. Hold it. Let's take glue and close it. Hold it for a few seconds. So your loose coil is ready. Now let's make different shapes. So first one is teardrop. So let's take one loose coil and see where is the end part of the strip. So here is my part where I glued the strip end. So you have to pinch this coil at this point. So this is our center of coil. So move this center at one side and this is my glue part. So you have to pinch it at the glue part. So your teardrop is ready. Let me show you again. So this is our loose coil and this is my glued part. So I'm gonna pinch it here. So you have to move center of coil at the opposite direction and pinch it very little bit. So this is your teardrop. Now let's make another shape. Next shape is called curved teardrop. So same thing. First we are going to make teardrop. So find out the glue part. So my glue part is here. So move your center of coil to opposite direction and pinch it here. So your teardrop is here. Now you are gonna just bend this point on any side. So this is your curved teardrop. Let me show you again. So this is our coil. This is my glue part. Just reposition this center on opposite direction. Pinch little bit and just bend this point here. Now let's learn elongated teardrop. Again same thing. Find the glue part, move the center. Now this time we have to pinch this coil almost to the end like this and just let it go. So your elongated teardrop is ready. So you can see the difference between regular teardrop and elongated teardrop. Let me show you again. Loose coil, move the center and pinch more almost to the end. So this is your elongated teardrop. Now let's see eye shape. For eye shape we are gonna pinch on both sides together. So this is my glue part. So I'm gonna hold this like this and just pinch both sides. And middle part should be curved. It's just like our eye. Let me show you again. So this is my glued part. So hold it like this and pinch on sides. So this is our eye shape. Next shape is single curve eye shape. For this one, first we are gonna make eye shapes. So pinch on both sides. So we have two sides, right? So we are gonna curl one side. So this is your single curve eye shape. Let me show you again. So let's make eye shape first. And bend this point at one side. So you have single curved eye shape. Now next one is double curve eye shape. Same thing, make eye shape, and now you have to bend both sides. So I will suggest you to hold like this and just bring one hand up and one hand down. So it's like S shape. Or you can do one by one. So this is our coil. Make eye shape by pinching both sides. Then you can hold like this and bend this side and take another side and bend to the other side. So you have double curve eye shape. Now let's learn angle eye shape. For this one, first you have to make teardrop. So let's take our loose coil, and this is my glued part. I'm gonna move this center at one side and I'm gonna pinch it. Now let's pinch other side also. So hold it like this and just bring these two hands together and squish it and let it open. And now you can open these things. So this is your angle eye shape is ready. Let me show you again. First we have to make teardrop. Now I'm gonna shift this to my other hand and I'm gonna pinch this side also, and I'm going to bring this together, squish it, and let's open it, and you can open these sides. So this is your angle eye shape. Now let's learn last shape of this video. So it's called arrowhead. So for this one also, let's make teardrop first. I'm moving my center. This is my glued part. I'm pinching here. Now take your slotted tool. Hold your teardrop like this and push this tool inside and bring these ends together with your fingers. So this is your arrowhead. Let me show you again. So let's make a teardrop. Take your slotted tool, push this inside and bring these two ends together. So this is your arrowhead. So in this video we learn teardrop, curved teardrop and elongated teardrop. Then eye shape, single curve eye shape, double curve eye shape, angled eye shape and arrow head. So I will suggest you to make chart like this. So you can take your notebook and glue all shapes and write the name so that you can use this chart as a reference. Now I will show you how to make flower with shapes, with these shapes. So let's take your base, and I already made few elongated teardrops and tight coil. So take one teardrop, elongated teardrop, apply glue on both sides, put it here and then glue another teardrop, and remember, use very little glue. And when you make these shapes, you will see the lines are going on one side like this. For this one, these are going on this side. So try to glue all the shapes going on one side like this one. These lines are going this side, so that try to put on the same side so that your creation will look more beautiful. And if you have any kind of pins in your house, let's take those pins. And so this is my one petal. I'm gonna push this pin inside so that your petals will remain at the same place. So let's take more pins and push these petals, and you can bring them together. If it's going away, just use these pins and push this so that they will remain at the same place. So let it dry. Now when it dries, you have to remove these pins, but be careful while removing these pins. You have to hold your fingers like this and remove pins. If you will not hold these fingers like this, sometimes the middle part of the shape will come out. Now this is my tight coil. I am going to glue this tight coil in the middle. So your flower is ready. So just like that, you can make fish, different animals, birds, snowman, snowflake, butterflies, like these things. So your task for day 3 and day 4 is you have to make at least 2 things with today's shapes and 3 shapes that I showed in my previous videos. So you can make more things if you can, otherwise just make 2 things, it's fine. So just get rolling. Bye.